see here. Looking at the kind of trees that are growing here, this kind of result is typical for this time of year, really, although it's not always as bad. But with blue gums, they are inclined to be a bit snappy, and this is the result. Maintenance of these trees is critically important for the safety of public. So please take care, people. Just watch out for damaged trees and in the roads of Stellenbosch and Lawrenceford. Just keep an eye out.